enormous. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be heading to Key West, which is a couple hours away from where we're staying. We're staying in Chicago. So we're going to start heading out now, and we will show you all the adventure that we experienced today. Let's go! It's my Annette! Thank you! Thank you, Annie!
I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
So we drove past and we saw the sign that you can feed stingray and feed the sharks, so I want to try it. So right now we stopped at Aquarium in Counter. I don't know what kind of shark we're going to feed. Hey!
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good.
2 adults, please.
Okay. You guys want to feed any sharks or rays today?
do.
Okay.
Yeah, both.
Which one do you want to get into the water or you want to stay dry?
Stay dry.
Stay dry, please.
Stay dry.
I'd like to.
Their mouth is on the underneath side. They'll kind of pull up right against the wall to grab it.
Oh, okay.
And then when you're done, just bring the sticks back here. Hand sanitizers by the trash.
Thank you!
You got it.
Ooh. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay. Here you go. Did you get it? Yeah. They're so cute.
You want more? I have another token.
Okay. Thank you. That was fun. They're like smiling.
Oh, they are cute, aren't they?
Just along on the side there for me while I get it all set up for us.
Okay.
So the species of shark that you're going to help me work with today are the nurse sharks.
Good girl.
One male named Swayze and the other is Notch. Sharks now, and she's ready for you whenever you are. Sit.
Oh, there it is.
Perfect, you got it. There.
Wow, that's rough.
So what you're feeling, those are not scales, those are actually little teeth called a dermal denticle. Perfect.
How does it feel, Annie? Like
Really cool. Like
sandpaper.
yeah.
How was it, honey?
It's cool.
It's cool, right?
Yeah. They're like big dogs
Yeah.
of the water.
I'd like to love you.
Okay, thank you. You too. Thank you. It was fun. So the experience at the aquarium, I think, was very fun and memorable. So right now we're gonna keep going and we are about to get on the 7 Mile bridge. So it's my first time too. Let's go check it out. Thank you, Anne. Okay, so now we just stopped at Bahia Honda State Park because like along the road that we drove here, the water is so beautiful. I mean, the water is beautiful everywhere, but it looks very interesting, so we decided to check it out before we go to the Key West.
That water's amazing.
The sandbar is really far and people love to come here to like snorkeling and see, you know, under the sea world and stuff. But my goal today is I want to go to Key West, and if we spend like a long time here. We're not gonna make it to Key West like before it gets dark, so.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fantastic.
Can I have 2 small, tall iced caramel macchiatos, please?
Chocolate cake pop?
Chocolate cake pop, please.
So finally we made it to Key West after keep stopping at all beautiful places. So Key West is the biggest out of all the Florida Keys and it's more like a city vibe. And we're on Duval Street. It's like the most like well-known street on Key West and there's a lot going on. So let's go check it out. This is my first time too, so I'm really excited.
How you doing?
Is that your hair? Jealous. Adorable. What do you mean? It goes cross like that. You tall. This is good for you.
I like it. You
Yeah.
like it?
Yeah.
So cute, man.
Cheers, thank
That's
you.
your wife?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Lucky man, huh?
No, she's lucky. She's lucky to have you too.
Oh, thank you.
Because she will never look shiny and happy like that if you're not good to her.
Oh, well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Anything
much.
good around?
See your new hat? It does. Perfect.
Thank you, Annie.
How are you? So they start at 22 or 27, depending on which one you like.
I like this one. Is that cute?
Yes.
Chicken! That's cute. Okay. This is really big town. I don't know
Yeah,
where
it
to go.
is.
Oh, there's more over there. There's gotta be egg underneath that one. So this is where the cruise ship like come and go.
Uh-huh.
This is my first time seeing cruise ship in person. It is enormous. Well, that's why people go on the cruise.
Yeah.
So the cruise that we just saw, according to Google, it is called Carnival Glory. It can carry 2,900 passengers plus 1,150 crew team, like crew members. So pretty much around 4,500 people in total. That's crazy. That's so big. Okay, let's keep moving. They are not afraid of people at all. Look how close I am to them. Hey, hey chicken! Beautiful. Okay, so now we're done exploring Duval Street because it's really hot. We got some cold drinks, so now we're gonna get back in the car and go explore the rest of the Key West. got secret too. So right now we just stopped at Fort Zachary Taylor State Park. It is an old military fort. Yeah. So everything is like, it's not working anymore, right?
No,
Yeah.
This is from 1845.
They have turned it into a state park, and the other side is the beach, and right now we're on the trail, and I see the sign, Fort Vio Nature Trail. Okay, so we'll go. And the first thing we saw when we walked in here is iguana, and there are so many of them. Wow, so nice. Oh.
Cool.
Okay.
Let's try this way.
Okay. I like something like this a lot better than city life, but city life is fun, but I can't handle it for too long. This is a lot more fun for me.
Here iguanas.
Didn't get to see much up there, but it's beautiful.
I think we can see it from there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And right over there is the beach. As you can see, beautiful blue water. To see that the iguanas are like everywhere here. They just live with people, and people respect them, and they are protected by law, and which is really nice to see, you know, that like they don't get caught and eaten by people and stuff. So I think we are going to like explore a little more around the beach and over here, and then we're gonna start heading back. So the beach is very, very beautiful here. It makes us really want to like jump in the water, but it is getting kind of late, and where we're staying is like a couple hours away, so we're gonna start heading back. Let's go home. No, let's go back to our boathouse. So now we are back on our boat. I hope you guys enjoy our little journey to Key West. It was my first time. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. It was something different. I want to thank you so much for watching. ขอบคุณนะคะที่ติดตามดูกัน Thank you. Bye. She's camera shy. So big! Oh, that's so cute! Thank you! I never knew that! Is that how he likes to drink water?
They love fresh water.
Oh, thank you so much! Oh, you can pet him too! Wow!
Pet him?
Can I try that?